Hi, okay. I'm going to show you how to use the binaural filter using Soundhack Pro. Soundhack. Okay. So if you have it already, you want to open it up. If you don't, you can download it off. Just Google the word Soundhack and it should come up. It's for Mac. I think there's a version for PC, but I'm not 100% sure. Okay, now for this, it's very important to use headphones. If you don't have headphones, it's pointless. It really is purely for headphones. What a binaural filter does is that it simulates where a sound is placed around you. So because the way you hear, if to the right of you, you click your fingers, the sound takes a little bit longer to reach your left ear. The frequencies are a little bit different. And all these things your brain add up to allowing you to know where the sound is. Now these plugins work somewhat okay. I mean, ideally you'd want to use binaural microphones, but sometimes it comes in handy. I definitely use this a lot. All right, so you've opened up Soundhack. You can see there's nothing other than at the top something saying Soundhack. So let's first open a file. Okay, so open your file. Now you've got this that pops up, and if you hit play, you can hear me shaking the matches in mono. So it's very important to use mono, otherwise this won't work. So this is highlighted. I'm going to click hack and start the binaural filter. Now, if you have a stereo file and you look at the binaural filter here, it will be grayed out and you won't be able to click on it. So you need a mono file. Let's click on it. All right, here comes up a window. This is your plugin. Okay, I'm going to untick this for now. So you see this little guy. And you see these radio buttons, and so you can choose where you want the sound placed. So you can have it in front of you, behind you, to the side of you. You can choose whether you want it to be elevated at ear level or lowered. So we're going to keep this for now at ear level. And we're not going to use this radio dial. You can, but it's a bit static. So I'm going to show you this. If you click on moving angle and angle function, you'll come up with this window now. And what this is, it lets you draw motion. So you can, the top is 360 degrees or 0 degrees. It's in front of you, basically. And the bottom is again in front of you. So from top to bottom, it travels at 360 degree around you. From left to right is time. Now this is quite handy. You can see this little function here. It tells you the time. So if I move my mouse totally to the right, it's just about 6 seconds. And as you move, you can see it go down 3 seconds, 2 seconds. Now it's pretty handy because now you got this sound file which tells you here that it's 6 seconds. And if you don't want it to start, if you want, let's say, on 3 seconds for it to start going around you, then you can move your the mouse to 3 seconds and then draw a line. But what we're going to do is we're going to make the sound go around us twice. So for it to do it twice and not just once, in this cycle little section, you can type in 2. So this, we can type in 3, 4, anything you want. But we're just going to do it twice. And if we choose this line, you'll see that it does the line twice. If we only had one cycle, then it would do it once. So now we have 2 cycles, and so what happens is here is in front of you, and it travels around you, and at about 3 seconds, it's back in front of you, and then it jumps to here, but you won't notice it, and it does it one more time. Okay, you can also draw something, so let's draw a line. So it goes, ooh, not very good line, but here it does it once. And if you can see at the bottom, there's a bit of a peak. So let me draw an exaggerated peak. What you can do is you can hit smooth and it flattens all the harsh peaks. All right, let's process this by clicking done and process. Oh, there you go. Okay, this name's not so friendly. So let's change it to mono binaural, and it's spelled correctly. I'm gonna choose choose AIFF. I find it's a little bit less noisy. Maybe it's something to do with I don't know what it is, but when I choose WAV, it adds a bit of noise. Okay, but it might be just on my side. So I'm gonna hit save. And here you can see the new sound has come up. It's processed it. I'm gonna click on it to make sure it's highlighted and hit the spacebar to play it. Okay, so you can hear it going around us once. If we had those two lines, it would have gone twice. Okay, let's hear the original one again. Okay, it's not ideal, but it did quite a good job. All right, I hope this helped. And if you want to read more, you can find me on my sound design blog, and that's at www.soundplusdesign.com. Thank you, and bye-bye.